So the Z Fold 7 is $13.99. Let's talk about it. It's almost Black Friday, right? So you're going to see a lot of different places discounting their products. Amazon has this phone for, I believe, $16.99. It's $300 off. Best Buy had discounted it. I think Walmart might, maybe not. I'm not sure exactly what Walmart. But I know Best Buy and Amazon has. But Samsung themselves are giving you the best deal possible. So if you go down here and it says Samsung trade-in, if you say no, you get $600 off. If you say yes, you can get up to $1,000 off. Now, $13.99 for the 256GB model, $15.19 for the 512, and $18.19 for the 1TB. It's still a lot of money to spend on a foldable phone. Like, I see a couple people talk about this and they're like, it's a steal, this is a steal. Like, no, it's still a lot of money to spend on a foldable phone, especially when most phones you're going to buy, probably in the candy bar cell phone wise, are going to be around that $1,000 to $1,100 mark. Obviously, you go up in terabyte and storage, whatever, it's going to cost you more. But for what it is, it's a great phone, the Z Fold 7. I would still wait for the Z Fold 8 if you're thinking about picking up a foldable phone and you haven't done so already. I'd wait for the Z Fold 8. I wouldn't mess with the Z Fold 7, but hey, if you ever have a reason to get it, now is the reason. There's also a reason why you never should pre-order the any foldable cell phone. Never pre-order them, no matter what, because this always happens every single year. The phone goes on discount after a couple months, and usually we don't see a $600 discount. Normally we'll see like a $200-$300 discount, but this time we are seeing a $600 discount. But this always happens, always. So again, if you're thinking about ever buying a foldable cell phone from Samsung, wait. Don't buy it right away. Wait a couple months and get it for crazy cheaper. Google doesn't really do this. They're not really in the whole neighborhood of discounting all their phones that much. I'll pull up the Pixel 10 Pro Fold. I think Amazon does have the 10 Pro Fold on discount, but Google does not. Google is currently still sitting at $17.99 for the Pixel Fold. So if you want to get it, it's still $17.99. You can't get it for cheaper. It sucks so bad. I mean, again, I guess there is a reason if you want to pre-order Pixel series, you can. And you can feel confident that the price tag is going to say exactly the same. Now, if you ever tried to sell a foldable cell phone, any foldable cell phone on the secondhand market, foldable cell phones literally they're one of the worst pieces of tech when it comes to carrying their value and keeping their value. So right now, the Z Fold 7 came out again a couple months ago. It is currently $1,300 or $1,200 to $1,300 on the secondhand market. This phone is around $1,100 already on the secondhand market. So again, it is what it is. Foldable cell phones, it's so hard for them to keep their value. Especially because there's a lot of people who don't trust secondhand market when it comes to foldable cell phones. You could have a display issue. The person doesn't say it's a display issue. You get the phone and it breaks. It's always a possibility. Anyway, guys, tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. We'll talk about this today. That's pretty much it.